we will be talking about a specific part which is covered in the book Power, called the feelings chart. I'll just give a brief introduction. Feelings are what you feel. For example, I am in a room which is completely dark, and I lose my keys there. But since there is no light there, I see a lamppost outside, and I go there and start finding my keys. A person is crossing. He asks me, "What are you doing?" I said, "I'm finding my keys." He also starts to look with me. And he asked me, "Where did you lose the keys?" I said, "In the room." He said, "Then why aren't you finding there? Why are you finding here?" I said, "There is dark there. How can I find there? There is light here. That's why I'm finding here." Now, what is the catch here? In life, there is going to be a darkness which is a negative zone or below the line zone. The darkness can only be taken care or shifted or moved with light. Light is the above the zone, the good feelings, the positive feelings. So the journey from negative to positive, negative feelings to positive feelings, is the journey from darkness to light. This is the feelings chart, which was shared. I have got the wrong screen. Thank you for your patience, and I get the right screen. Now this, ये क्या हो रहा है? ये क्यों आ रहा है? Can you guys see this chart?
Yes.
So we have the white zone on top, and we have the black zone at the bottom. You can't see, Hema?
Can see. I thought black and white, but वो सारा orange and yellow है ना? But the words are black and white.
So the black is fear, despair, guilt, envy, hate, anger, criticism, worry, disappointment, irritation, boredom. This is the line. So that's why it's called below the line feelings, dark feelings, negative feelings. Now let's get above the line. Satisfaction, hope, enthusiasm, excitement, passion, joy, gratitude, love. These are all above the line feelings, white feelings, positive feelings. You know, everything in the universe has a specific frequency. Humans have a specific frequency. Animals have a different frequency. Stones also have a frequency. Plants also have a frequency. Everybody has different frequencies. Radio mein frequency hota hai na? So how does that work? How does a radio work? If you want to listen to 91 FM, you tune your radio to 91 frequency. If you want to listen to 95.4, you tune yourself to 95.4. Because you want to be at that frequency. Every emotion has its own frequency. The positive zone has its own frequency. The negative zone has its own frequency. This is the ladder. The higher you are on the above frequency, the higher would be the impact of that positive frequency. Or if you are in the lower line, the lower you are, the more the impact will be of the lower frequency. So each and every emotion we have has a specific frequency. Now, if I want to attract something which is good, I need to be in that frequency. अगर मुझे 91 सुनना है तो मुझे 91 फ्रीक्वेंसी ट्यून करनी पड़ेगी, तभी मुझे 91 सुनेगा. मुझे 108 नहीं सुनेगा 91 पे. अगर मुझे 108 सुनना है तो मुझे 108 की फ्रीक्वेंसी पे जाना पड़ेगा. So this above the line feelings have a different frequency, and these below the line feelings have a different frequency. Now we as humans have all these emotions. It's not that कि हमारे पास खाली लव है, ग्रेटिट्यूड है, तो हमें कभी गुस्सा ही नहीं आता, या हम कभी क्रिटिसाइज ही नहीं करते, या हम कभी बोर ही नहीं होते. होते हैं, सब होते हैं. It's normal. It takes practice to stay in the above zone. You know, to stay in the above zone में क्या होता है? Like this example given in this chapter. When you are aware that you are about to say something negative, snap. Change it with the line, but I would like to say that I am thankful for. What is that? That is a shift you are creating when you are aware of what you are doing. When you are aware of your emotions, with practice, you will be aware of your emotions and you will be able to snap, change. There is a concept of mood shifters. It's a big chapter we'll get back to later, but mood shifter is nothing. When you are aware that you are in the negative zone, you use your mood shifter, switch, get to the positive. It has to be a conscious effort. आप जिस जोन की फ्रीक्वेंसी में हो, आप वही अट्रैक्ट करोगे. You know, there are days when something wrong happens and you get so bogged down, yaar ye ho gaya, and suddenly you see there is a line of events of bad things happening. Because you were in that zone, you did not shift. Whichever zone you are, positive, negative, you are going to attract because you are on that frequency. और हमारा काम यही है कि हमें डार्कनेस से लाइट में जाना है. हमें बिलो द लाइन फीलिंग्स, नेगेटिव फीलिंग्स से जब भी आती है स्विच करके ऊपर आना है. दैट्स आवर ओनली जॉब. एंड यू सी, ग्रेटिट्यूड इज इन नंबर 2 इन योर इंटायर exercises. What you're doing is you are working on above the line feelings so that you are grateful. And you know, the highest frequency in the positive zone is of love, but gratitude is the first step for that love. Once we master gratitude, then we definitely will get that love. You know, it's said that the humans have, I don't know, 60,000 thoughts a day. उसमें बहुत नेगेटिव होते हैं, बहुत पॉजिटिव होते हैं. सबके साथ होता है यार. एवरीबडी हैज अ नेगेटिव ग्लिच. नेगेटिव होता है. हम कोई संत गुरु नहीं है कि हम इतने वो है, बिकॉज वी आर इन, you know, we are social beings, we are interacting, we still have our judgments, we still have our, you know, opinions. So sometimes they don't match. So there is a time where you get that negative thing, but you need to be aware, consciously aware. Use your mood shifter, or use this line that I would like to say that I'm grateful. Use your mood shifter, be consciously aware and snap the feeling. You need to be in the positive zone. It's said, even if you cannot be 100% in your positive, just make sure that the weighing scale is tilted towards positive. So even if it is 51% positive, you have made it through the day in above the line feelings. That's your tipping point. 51% भी अगर हम पॉजिटिव की तरफ झुक गए ना, हमारा काम हो गया. धीरे धीरे 52, 53, 80, 90, 100 सब आएगा. With practice आएगा. So today, with this practice, when you're doing it, you need to stay in the above zone, above the line feeling, positive zone throughout the day. Whenever some situation comes and you feel that you are going below the line, you are experiencing these emotions which are below the line emotions, just snap it and say, no, I must say that I am grateful for this. That choice, that awareness has to be done by you. Nobody else can do that. 51% भी अगर हमने दिन में झुका लिया ना towards above the line feelings, it is good. So be consciously aware. ये जब भी ये feelings आएंगे, I'll post this chart in the group. If you want detailed explanation, it's there in the book Power. If you want, I can snap the photos from the book and share. 3-4 pages की होगी इसकी explanation. You can go through it. It's nice. But I've tried to make myself clear ki what exactly is and how is it that you shift. There is a concept of mood shifters, whereas, that's like your weapons you use against the dark zone. कि जब मैं dark zone में जाऊंगा तो मुझे क्या weapons use करने हैं? या what is my, modus operandi? A lot of people love chocolates. That can be the mood shifter. The time you find, no, I'm in a negative zone, just snap a chocolate there. There are lots and loads of things. We'll get back to it later. But today, be consciously aware. When you get to these low feelings, we do not want to attract the frequency of these emotions or the things associated with these below the line emotions. We need to be in the upper zone. We need to maintain the tipping point of 51% minimum. I'll post this feelings chart. In case anybody has any question right now, we can discuss it right now. In case you feel later also you have a question and you want more information, I'll try to get the part of the book and post it as well so that you'll get a better understanding. But it is part of the book called Power. So if you guys want, you should definitely go and buy the book Power. It's one of very good reads by Rhonda Byrne again. Secret भी बहुत अच्छी है, Power भी बहुत अच्छी है, Magic तो है ही magical, and then Hero is also there. And she's also come up with the 5th book called The Greatest Secret. I'm yet to read it. I haven't read it. So you can get your hands on The Power by Rhonda Byrne. We open for questions.